Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'm gonna highlight some of the mistakes that you might make while using post effects. So without any further ado, let's get straight into it. The first mistake that you might make is not using the right post effect. Let me show you an example. So over here, if I just go to the objects panel and then just click over here and then scroll down and then just select post effects, a drop down will open up over here. Now I want to select something like analog TV, but by mistake I may select something like smoothing. So make sure that doesn't happen. After you click on your effect, it will come over here. You can see it's gonna come. You can see it came over here, smoothing. Now you can see the name of your effect by seeing it in the objects panel. You can see smoothing over here. So make sure after you added your effect, you see that it has the right name and then continue with it. The second mistake that you might make is not seeing the preview. Let me show you an example. So let's say after you added your effect, which is the smoothing in my case, where is the preview? The preview is located right here. You can see the preview. The third and final mistake that you might make is don't think color correction and post effects are the same thing. Color correction changes the entire scene, like it just changes the mood or the feel or the color of it. But post effects adds like a type of effect like smoothing or just analog type of TV or something like that. Yeah, so those both are different. Let me show you. So if I delete this effect I have added by right clicking, and you can see delete over here. If I just delete that, now if I just add color correction, so just go to this plus over here and then just add color correction. Let's just add heat. Now you can see my whole scene is just heat. But if I just delete this by right clicking and deleting it, if I add another one, something like just let's see, analog TV, you can see I kind of get a distortion effect, like I have like things around my edges, like all over my body. You can see I like these small purple lines and stuff. It's really cool. It's way different than color correction. Color correction adds like a different type of feel or mood to your scene, but post effect just add like a type of effect, like you can see right here. So those both are really different. So that's it for this lesson. I will see you in my next lesson.